but I don't need the comfort of any lies. For I have seen the ending, and there is no ascending. Rise. Oh, back when I was younger, was told by other youngsters that might well be toucher beneath the earth. 'Cause I don't see what they see when death is staring at me. I see a window, a limit to live it, and not it all. If you could pull a lever to carry on forever, would it all even matter anymore? Sure, it's a comic notion, perpetual in motion, but it's not what you signed up for. More guys. I'm sure there won't always be sunshine, but there's this momentary beam of night. You don't have to wait the salty decades to get through the gates on in front of your face. I'm sure there won't always be there won't always be sunshine, but there's this momentary beam of night. I could cross the ocean in a state of devotion for every shine it's taken. There's right nobody begging. You think you own